So, hey guys, now we will start reviewing our code. So, what you have to do is you have to enter this link in your browser. This is my project's repo link. So, I'll paste the link in description, and you have to click this button and download zip file. Okay. So now that you have downloaded the zip file, you just have to open it with VS Code and run command npm I. This will install all the dependencies. So it's taking some time. Okay, so now it's done. So you can run npm start, and the project will start running. Okay, so when you click on create new file, you have this url slash editor. So we will look for the component which is mounted on slash editor. Okay, so I guess this is our editor component. No. I think we have to search for a router. Okay, so this is our editor component. So it has three main components: header, svg editor, and element formatter. Okay, so first we will take a look at editor header. So in editor header we have some states. So we have different options for pages, navbar tools, color palette, gradient palette, clip arts, helpers, etc. So if you have React DevTools, it will be more easy. Just open React DevTools and you will be able to see all the components. So this is our editor. This is editor header. This is our SVG editor, and this is element formatter. So state is shared between all these components using Redux. So in editor header we have some options like file. One second. And then some tools. Okay, so that's all for this video. We will discuss more about the project in our next video.